Okay, you guys, I just got back from thrifting and I found some gorgeous gems that I'm going to be putting together for a look tonight. I'm so excited. I can't wait to show you. It's going to be so fun. Let's do this. Oh, damn, my white shirt has stains on it. I literally need to put this in the wash right now. Oh my gosh. Okay, the laundry is D-O-N-E. Oh, smells so good. Let's figure out how to make these pieces work. Come on, girls. Definitely the one. Love that. Absolutely love that.